How to change store location on Doordash best method. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to change store location on Doordash in the easiest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is basically you're going to go over to this section where it says me, okay? Or you can even come to this section over here. You're going to click on it, and once you click on it here, you can simply search for any address or add a new address for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and search for any address in, Los Angeles. Okay. And let's say we have this Alaska Weight Loss Institute. Let's go with that. We're going to click on save address. Once we click on save address, here you can see it has changed our address, and now we have changed our store direction or our store destination. And that is pretty much about it. That is how simple and easy it is to go ahead and change your store address. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.